To activate Google Assistant on your Google Pixel Watch 3, first of all, we have to click on the Chrome button to open this, settings. And right here, this is the Google Assistant icon, so we have to tap on it once. And as you can see right now, it is turned on as default. But let's say that it is not working properly, so you actually cannot turn it on. For example, the permissions are turned off, like for example for the microphone. I'm gonna show you right now how it looks. There we go. And now when we go back from this one, we'll have to open it. And now as you can see, we have to grant permission for this microphone. So we have to select the while using the application. And now we can tap the microphone icon and we can start talking to the Google Assistant. And now when you turn it on one more time, as you can see, it actually turns on automatically. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.